Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the latest tech and smart home gadgets to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're focusing on one of the most hands-off, convenient home devices, robot vacuums. In 2025, these little helpers aren't just sweeping floors. They can mop, self-empty, detect obstacles, avoid tangles, and even clean themselves. In this video, I'll go through the top 5 best robot vacuums on Amazon for 2025, including product features, real-world reviews, pros and cons, and my recommendations for different types of users. By the end, you'll know exactly which vacuum fits your home and lifestyle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C2O. The eufy Omni C2O is designed for those who want a fully hands-free cleaning experience. It vacuums, mops, and then washes and dries the mop pads automatically. That's a huge upgrade for busy households. Its 7,000 PA suction is strong enough for pet hair, dust, and crumbs, while the slim design allows it to reach under furniture that most vacuums can't touch. The all-in-one station keeps your home tidy. No need to touch dirt or mop pads. Pros: powerful suction for carpets and hard floors. Auto washing and drying mop pads. Slim design fits under furniture. All-in-one station saves time and effort. Cons: premium price. Base station takes up floor space. Number 2. Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501AE is a pet owner's favorite. With its XL self-empty base, it can hold up to 60 days of debris, so you don't have to constantly empty it. Its LiDAR navigation ensures it moves in efficient straight lines rather than random paths, cleaning more thoroughly. The HEPA filter traps allergens, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers. It's bagless, reducing long-term maintenance costs. Pros: long 60-day self-empty capacity. LiDAR navigation for efficient cleaning. HEPA filter traps dust and allergens. Perfect for pet owners. Cons: slightly louder than some competitors. Larger base station. Number 3. Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum. The Eufy L60 offers great value. Its hair detangling technology makes it ideal for homes with pets or long-haired residents. The 5,000 PA suction is strong enough to clean carpets and hardwood floors without being too loud. With the self-empty base, you get about 60 days of worry-free cleaning. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Pros: hair detangling for pet owners. Strong suction. Self-empty base reduces maintenance. Compact and easy to store. Cons: smaller dustbin than higher-end models. No advanced mop features. Number 4. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a powerhouse. Its 10,000 PA suction is among the strongest in consumer robot vacuums, perfect for deep carpet cleaning. The dual anti-tangle brushes prevent hair from clogging the rollers, which is great if you have multiple pets. It can vacuum and mop simultaneously. Thanks to precision LiDAR navigation, it creates accurate maps of your home for efficient, systematic cleaning. Pros: extremely strong suction. Dual anti-tangle brushes. Efficient LiDAR navigation. Self-empty base for weeks of use. Cons: premium price. Slightly taller, may struggle under low furniture. Number 5. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501 SI Ultra is a slightly smaller but very capable model. Its matrix clean system goes over areas multiple times to ensure no spot is missed. It can clean carpets, hardwood floors, and even pick up pet hair efficiently. It's compatible with Alexa, allowing voice commands, and the 30-day self-empty base keeps maintenance minimal. Pros: matrix clean ensures thorough coverage. HEPA filter traps allergens. Smart home compatible. Good option for pet owners. Cons: 30-day capacity shorter than the Shark AV2501 AE. Base station is smaller. So, there you have it. the top 5 best robot vacuums on Amazon in 2025. If you want ultimate hands-free cleaning, the eufy Omni C2O is the best choice. For pet owners needing large capacity, the Shark AV2501AE is excellent. For a budget-friendly yet effective option, the eufy L60 delivers strong performance. If you want maximum power and navigation accuracy, the Roborock Q7M5 Plus is perfect. And if you want thorough cleaning with smart mapping, the Shark AV2501SI Ultra is a solid pick. All of these vacuums are excellent choices, depending on your home size, pets, and cleaning needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more reviews. I've linked all these vacuums in the description below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.